Welcome to the next lesson. If you found this playlist, be sure you watch Lesson 0, an introduction to MetaTrader 4. We've decided that we're not going to create a lesson on how to download and install the platform onto your computer due to different operating systems and individual situations. We're going to begin with how to use the feature of the platform once you have it installed. If you need help with a specific broker getting it installed, our suggestion is to contact their customer support to walk you through. Trust us, it'll be easier this way. We'll bring up brokers again towards the end of this video. You will need to have created a demo account and are raring to go. So with that being said, let's take a top-down approach and see what the default screen looks like. But first, we need to make sure you're connected to the platform. Once you open the platform, look down to the lower right corner and you'll find this little box with 2 numbers in it. If it's anything else such as no connection, invalid account, and not green and blue with ascending numbers, then you don't have a connection and that has to be remedied first. Be sure to contact customer support to get that straightened out. Okay, now let's take a look at what you see when you begin. We'll take a look at the areas of interest that you need to become familiar with. The first red highlighted area is the menu bar. Here, you have a series of drop-down selections. We'll go through these together later. The next highlighted block are the icons which represent the various chart aids you'll be using and are affectionately known as your toolbars. Next is the charting area where the action is. The default view has 4 charts and pretty much has looked like this since I can remember. Don't concern yourself with what they are and why they look the way they do. We'll be addressing this in greater detail as the lesson progresses. The market watch is on the left side where a few currency pairs are displayed. There are many more as you'll find out. Below the market watch is a navigator window. This is where your account information is displayed in addition to indicators and expert advisors, also known as EAs. The window at the bottom of your screen is your order window, which contains your account information, trades, history, and other functions. There are other windows which are available and perform different functions, which we will also cover, including the strategy tester, where you can observe, test, and optimize individual indicators and expert advisors, and a data window to determine the numeric values of various measurements on your charts. There are other internal functions which will pop up based on your menu selections, which we'll cover when we go through the menu and toolbars. We're going to close everything now. Find the following X's on your screen to clear the field. First, close the 4 charts, here, 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 and here. Then close the data window here. Then the market watch here, the navigator here, and finally the strategy tester here. If you still have the terminal window open, be sure you close that as well. No distractions. This is what your platform should look like now. Now that we've identified the various fields, we'll start going through the menus in the next lesson. If you're looking for our choice of brokers, go no further than Blueberry Marketing for non-US traders. We've got information on the site to get you to the landing page where you can receive up to $2,000 in free margin when new traders open a live account. You can even start with your demo account there as well. Our only goal is to make you a better trader.